Welcome to the review of Windows 8.1. My name is Jan Auerbach and I am the COO and co-founder of SpeechTrans Incorporated. I am also an experienced systems administrator and technical evangelist. The first thing you'll notice when you download the release preview for Windows 8.1 is that the Start button has now magically reappeared. There's a few other things that you should know when using Windows 8.1 in order to get the most out of your experience. I'm currently doing this demonstration on a Surface Pro tablet with a touch keyboard, and I'm using a mouse for this demonstration purposes so you could see where all my touch and clicks would be. So on the bottom left hand corner, if you right click, you have instant access to all of your favorite and necessary management tools. Everything from Control Panel, File Explorer, and a new one they added in Windows 8.1 was Programs and Features, so that you don't have to do multiple clicks to get to exactly where you want to be to remove a program. The new Start button brings you to the Windows 8 UI mode. This lets you customize the background by bringing the mouse on the bottom right and going to Settings, Tiles, Settings, Personalize, and Background. This can also be the same background as your main desktop mode, but currently the default is a fish. I recommend changing it so that it looks fluid throughout your browsing experience. Now, one of the other things that Microsoft changed in 8.1 was they completely redesigned their broken search. The search tool is available on the bottom right hand side if you just put the mouse on the right corner, or if you're using a tablet you swipe from the left to right. Hit search and now you have access to search just a few options. Instead, previously you had to search through every application individually, which was absolutely ridiculous if you have hundreds of applications and you just want to find one file. If you click the store, you'll also notice that there's a brand new Windows Store. If you right click anywhere in the Windows Store, it brings you to this great drop down menu where you can view all of the top applications on any category without having to hunt and pick through the previous Windows search, which was the only way to explore new applications and continuously scroll through all the different categories. This is a much better way to view Windows apps and explore new great programs, in my opinion. No one is arguing that the Metro design is not the best in the industry. The only problem that we see is people not understanding the concepts because they're just so radically different than any previous version of Windows, and I think 8.1 will definitely help the transition be a lot faster and easier. So by adding this search bar in the Windows Store window, people can instantly know they can search for any application and instantly access it without having to know you have to go to the quote-unquote charm to search. So I'm going to search for our brand new application called Surfy. Surfy is an app we developed for Windows 8, which Microsoft helped us design since we're a Microsoft managed partner, and we just announced this application last week at the World Partner Conference. Surfy is our answer to Siri for the Windows 8 desktops. It's speech enabled. It lets you speak anything you want, you don't have to type, and it can also speak back any questions that you have, let you shop on Amazon, search on the web, and full dock mode support, so you can keep it there all day in order to find out anything quickly without having to open up another window. So let's go ahead and open Surfy so I could show you how this works. Another thing you'll notice on the left hand side is if you bring your mouse to the top corner and you move it down, you'll see all the applications that are currently open and a new Start button. Previously in Windows 8, the Start button was not there. So I'm going to go ahead and open Surfy. and I'm going to ask, I want to buy a Surface RT tablet. By the way, everything I just showed you can only be done on a Surface Pro. There you go. You have the Surface RT tablet, and you're able to instantly purchase it right from here. Now that we have Surfy installed, you'll see that it's available if I hit Windows key T or Windows key Tab, and you can see it running in the background. I could also say something like this. When was Denzel Washington born? It instantly displays the information and will actually speak it to me as well. Another thing that I can do in Surfy is right-click and toggle text-to-speech. Now, anytime that I ask Surfy a question, it'll actually speak back the answer to me. Who made you? By the way, Surfy is a free app.
Tuesday, December 28, 1954. December 28, 1954, month/day/year, 58 years, 6 months, 23 days. I was created by engineers at SpeechTrans for some help from Microsoft. 9 days.
In addition to Surfy, you can also now get SpeechTrans for free in the Windows App Store. With SpeechTrans Ultimate, you can download and instantly have unlimited speech-to-speech translation or dictation right at your fingertips. I no longer have to type at all with a Windows 8 tablet. All I have to do is download SpeechTrans Dictation or SpeechTrans Translator and instantly get access to the power of nuanced speech recognition right in the Windows platform. Keep in mind, this does use an internet connection to establish the speech recognition results.
I no longer have to type it all with the Windows. A tablet on have to do is download SpeechTrans Dictation for SpeechTrans Translator and instantly get access to the power.
Now you can just simply slide the application to the side and get access to it while you're working on other applications. The one thing that I would have to say can be improved on Windows 8.1 is when you pin applications to the side, you should still be taken to the main home screen. Now I have to go back, and if I select the home screen, the pinned application disappears, which defeats the whole purpose of having a pinned application, in my opinion. Another nice feature with Windows 8.1 is you can still run desktop applications, and they will look similar to Windows 8 applications. However, they run in the normal mode, so you can have all the other apps open at the same time. We have developed an application for the desktop called SpeechTrans Messenger. This lets you talk to all of your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google, Yahoo, AOL Instant Messenger, and it will allow you to instantly have speech-to-speech translation occur. Just select what language you're speaking in, what language they're speaking in. Hey, how are you? And as soon as I hit send, No matter if they're using SpeechTrans or the Facebook desktop application or website, they'll get the message in Spanish. Speaking of Facebook, everyone knows that Microsoft does not have an original Facebook app in the Windows App Store yet. However, I've tested all of the possible applications that you can download from third-party vendors for Facebook, and the one I believe is the best is the Switch Facebook app. As you can see, it lets you work in multiple modes. If you swipe from the bottom to the top, it can change to touch, desktop, or mobile. If you click on the left-hand side, you can instantly get access to all of your Facebook docs and your touch applications. The newsfeed looks the cleanest, and there's no ads in this free application, so check out Facebook Docs. What you can do with this application is pin it to the side, go back to the start screen, and now in Windows 8.1 you could actually have two applications that are Metro based running simultaneously. So who makes the best computers?
Surfi did not understand your query. Let's do a Bing search.
As you can see, the microphone that I'm using is embedded, and for best accuracy, you may want to purchase a USB or wireless mic. Whenever Surfi doesn't know something, it simply brings up a Bing search. The Bing search is a full web view. You can use up to 10 fingers to navigate the web browser and pinch to zoom, just like on any other tablet that Apple has put out. Couple other things that you should take a look at in order to get the most out of your Windows 8 preview. I recommend installing Skype for desktop simply because if you use a regular Skype application, you won't be able to transfer files, which you're not able to do on the Skype for Windows RT yet, other than pictures. Another nice feature about the Windows 8 Start menu is having the ability to customize it more than any other operating system that I've ever seen. You now have all your applications to be possible to be set as groups so that you can instantly find them. If you pinch to zoom, you can view all of them simultaneously, and if you click and hold, you could uninstall, resize, or make the application appear under a different group just by dragging. Another new feature in 8.1 that you should know is swipe up to be able to view all of the applications. Something that's a little tricky is when you first download an app from the App Store, it doesn't show up on the main screen. You have to swipe up in order to get access to all of the applications. Once you figure that out and you want the application to show up on the App Store, that you purchased from the App Store, you just click it, hold it, and pin to taskbar. If you want it to be on the desktop mode, click it, hold it, and you can see that it's already pinned to the Start menu as well. Now, this concludes our Windows 8.1 release preview, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us through our website at SpeechTrans.com. Thank you.